with my wiener, fuck your throat and come, and you'll have to fucking choke. I didn't ever say shit, I fucked Stephanie. You can show her this shit, cause I got some money. I'm so funny, CKC till I die. You know we always straight getting motherfucking high. I can't deny, I like to touch bitches that are fly. Touch them in their twat and then I'll leave them on the spot when they're dead on a rock. Never gave a fuck, cause I fucked them too hard with my cock. It leave inside bleeding, her really feeding. You really think I care, cause I gave her pussy a beating. I'm not eating, I'm fucking getting higher, and I can't deny I'm smoking crack and heroin in my system. I will fuck in the head, I'll fuck you in your bed. I don't know the difference between a guy and a woman, the same to me. You think I gave a fuck? I sucked that dick right in that bitch and made her puke like a fucking something. I don't even know, I'm like the trash dispenser. I'll take your bitch for about a little penny. If she has the diseases, I never gave a fuck, cause I still put my dick up there and I bust a nut.
In her butt.
Yeah, in her butt. I made her turn into a slut. Fucked her CKC and she can't say a fucking word. What?
CKC!
CKC's coming to your house. Chris Bellin, you a felon that sells heroin to the kids. You a fucking little bitch. Mike P, you a funny little snitch. An informant. You informed me that you were gonna give me an ounce for $2.50. Not some little titties. Not fucking a half an ounce for $2.50. You ripped me off. Came to my house, so I pulled the butcher knife. You closed the door, rolled